Greeting colleagues, welcome to the KZN College of Emergency Care. My name is Busi Arons and our college is located in Overport in eThekwini. We have started offering accredited courses that are recognized by SACA and HPCSA. Our college takes pride in equipping students with comprehensive skills through a curriculum that includes essential medical care and rescue modules, ensuring that our graduates are prepared for diverse working environments. Please join us as we go through the facility.
Office of the Principal, Mrs. BDG Arons. She is responsible for the strategic leadership, drives continuous improvement in teaching and learning practices, partnership and community engagement, college effectiveness, financial management, oversees risk management, safeguards institution reputation, supports staff development and performance management, monitors and reports on the effectiveness of educational practices to all governance structures, and also responsible for quality assurance. First Deputy Principal, Mr. S. Sangweni. Responsible for higher education programs. Second Deputy Principal, Ms. Z. Dlamini. Responsible for skills development, CPD programs and admin. Offices of the Program Coordinators, Mrs. D. Gavenda, the Diploma Coordinator, Mrs. S. Pubalan, Skills Development Coordinator, Mrs. S. Joara, HSET Coordinator. Office of the Academic Register, Mrs. Malinga. The Registrar's Office is one of the key points area. Administration Support Offices. Admin block serves as the college's main hub, housing all support staff necessary for administration of the KZN College of Emergency Care. Their responsibilities include filing, record keeping, and other administrative tasks. Lecturers' offices. Mr. J. Chand, Skills Development Lecturer. Mr. Mgadi, HSET lecturer. Mrs. Aya, HSET lecturer. Every academic staff member has a personal office that facilitates one-on-one consultations with students. They are provided with personal laptops that connect to both wireless and wired internet. Which aids in research and preparation of teaching materials. Additionally, academic staff have access to scanning to email, printing and fax services. Staff ablution and bathroom facilities. Staff female showers. Staff male showers. First floor storerooms. First floor classrooms. First classroom accommodates 30 students. This classroom is furnished with suitable furniture, projector screens, air conditioner, learning chart on the walls, cameras for quality assurance and monitoring during teaching and learning and assessment. This classroom has wireless internet connections for the students. Second floor, lecturer offices. Mr. J. Gengan, diploma lecturer. Mrs. O.P. Ngomezulu, diploma lecturer. Ms. T.A. Mazibugo, HSET lecturer. Second classroom accommodates 30 students. The classroom is furnished with suitable furniture, air conditioner, projector screen, learning charts on the walls, and cameras for quality assurance and monitoring during teaching, learning, and assessments. The cameras can be muted during confidential meetings. The classroom has Wi-Fi connection to the student. The third classroom accommodates 30 students. The classroom is furnished with suitable furniture, air conditioner, projector screen, and cameras for quality assurance and monitoring during teaching, learning, and assessments. This classroom has Wi-Fi connection for the students. The fourth classroom accommodates 20 students. The classroom is finished with suitable furniture, air conditioner, projector screens, learning charts on the walls, and cameras for quality assurance and monitoring during teaching, learning, and assessment. The classroom has wireless Wi-Fi connection. The boardroom is utilized to hold meetings of the college. The cameras are disconnected during confidential meetings. Simulation and Skills Lab. The college has 4 simulation labs equipped according to the standard set by the Health Professional Council of South Africa, maintaining a ratio of 15 students per lab. The lab features high-performance equipment utilizing modern technology. Including adult, child, and infant mannequins that operate on 5G technology. This equipment allows lecturers to replicate real-life scenarios, enabling students to practice skills and patient care that closely resembles actual situations.
Delayed.
Presentation.
Giving patient antonox.
Mr. Robust. Mr. Robust.
Sleeping.
Oxygen is given a set improved to 94. Then we check the breathing. It was clear.
Prec Room 1 accommodates 15 students, has video recording and sound cameras. Prec Room 2 accommodates 15 students, has video recording and sound cameras. Prec Room 3 accommodates 15 students, has video recording and sound. Prec Room 4 accommodates 15 students, has video recording and sound. All practical rooms have Wi-Fi connection.
Okay, I'm assessing the neck. Is there any distended neck veins?
There is no distended neck veins.
I'm checking for tracheal deviation. Do I see any tracheal
No
deviation?
tracheal deviation.
Let's do this. 3 minutes dressing.
That's how you check for resonance. Alright, it's normal resonance. You cannot leave the upper side open. You have to leave for the blood to go down. Follow the gravity. You understand? So you have to let it the other way. If the blood is flowing in the lateral towards the side, lateral side, so you open that space. You understand? So then you let blood flow in that direction. Because if you're gonna close off there, what is going to happen? It's gonna go back and cause pneumothorax. And then obviously tension, advance into a tension pneumothorax. You understand, guys? Yes.
Ablution facilities on second floor. On this floor there is 5 male and female ablution facilities. Male and female showers are available for students to use after physical training and rescue module, which emphasizes physical fitness. The archive room. The archive room is used for ongoing, during and post-course archiving. Second floor storerooms. Ground floor. Lecturers' offices. Mr. S. Pillay, Skills Development Lecturer. Mr. R. Giyani, Clinical Practice Lecturer. Mr. M. Lesotho, Clinical Practice Lecturer. Miss A. Shabani, HZ Lecturer. Mr. N. Maduna, Diploma Lecturer. Mrs. Rajkumar Pillay, Clinical Practice Lecturer. The 5th classroom accommodates 30 students. This classroom is furnished with suitable furniture, air conditioner, projector screens, learning charts on the walls, and cameras for quality assurance and monitoring during teaching, learning, and assessments. This classroom is Wi-Fi connected. Laboratory for physics, and chemistry. Our campus includes laboratories for chemistry and physics equipped with the necessary tools for practical teaching and learning. Hall for big events. The college has an on-site hall for larger group activities. There is a unisex toilet situated on the ground floor. Sick bay. The sick bay is used to give medical attention to students who might fall ill at the campus. IT lab. KZN COEC has an IT lab on campus which consists of 21 computers that are connected to both wireless and cable internet. All computers are connected to printing services. These computers aid students for research, teaching and learning purposes. The databases used are Sabinet, ProQuest and Mediline. Students can also access online journals and books in the IT lab. Rescue storeroom. The rescue storeroom is designated for storing all the equipment used in the rescue module. The module covers light motor vehicle rescue, fire search and rescue, and high-angle rope rescue. The equipment that is used for the module includes spreaders, cutters, rope, helmets, fire extinguishers, and more. The library. The campus has an on-site library with adequate selection of appropriate books for research and study purposes. The library uses the World Share Management System, which is used for the circulation of books and for the interlending of books. The library has a number of reference books and prescribed books for HSET and Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. The library has electronic sources as well, which are e-books, articles, and journals. The database used are Sabinet, ProQuest, and Mediline. The library also has a procedure called interlibrary loan, where we are able to borrow books from other branches, especially the collection that our library does not have. There are 5 computers at the library for research purposes and downloading of learning material. The library has an ablution facility attached to it. Recreational area. Recreational area is used by students while they are on break or lunch. This is situated on the ground floor of the campus. Assembly point. Assembly point where the college staff and students should assemble in the event of emergency. Generator. There is a generator situated at the campus that aids with electricity during power outage. Water tanks. The water tank in the campus has a capacity of 10,000 liters. This assists the campus during water outages. The water is used daily from the water tank, therefore the water is recycled daily. Student residence. The student residence is fully furnished with 100 student beds. Also ablution areas and bathrooms. It has an industrial kitchen and a cafeteria. There is a laundry room within the residential. It's finished with 7 washing and drying machine. Included there is an industrial iron and an ironing board. IT lab at the student residential area, which is under renovations. There are 10 computers situated at the student residential, which are utilized by the students when they are off campus. Clinical practice ambulances and response vehicles. For work integrated learning, the KZN College of Emergency Care has 2 ambulances and 2 emergency response vehicles situated at the student residence. The KZN College of Emergency Care academic staff have access to the emergency vehicles to perform operational duties. They are scheduled to work with students in order to monitor their progress, to mentor and to evaluate them. Wash bay. A wash bay is situated at the student residential. for the purpose of washing the college vehicles. Outdoor recreational area. There is an outdoor recreational area situated in the student residence. Sports and recreation. Although the College of Emergency Care is still developing, the college also offers the students to have extracurricular activities such as soccer and netball. This aids students in their health and wellness. Generator. There is a generator situated at the student residence that aids with electricity during power outage. Water tank. The water tank in the student residence has a capacity of approximately 80,000 liters. This assists students during water outages. The water is used daily from the water tanks, therefore the water is recycled daily. Security. The KZN College of Emergency Care campus and student residence has 24-hour surveillance cameras, access controlled gate, and security guards.
Thank you for the opportunity you afforded us. We do stand for excellence and hope you enjoyed our tour.